Hello everyone. So this is my second video of this channel. First of all, I today's topic I will want to talk about is subnetting. What is subnetting? Subnetting is like we get a IP address and then we just divide it into many subnets according to our use. So here we have an example where a question where is given network address 192.168.10.0 and subnet mask. So first of all we need to know what class is this IP address. So first of all we know that it's class C. How do you know? We know by these, like if I see, if I Google search C IP address begin and end, first octet will be 192 to 223 and second, third and fourth will be 0 to 255, 0 to 255. So here we have 192 in the first octet, so it reminds us that it's class C IP address. Then we have the subnet masks where the last one is 128. 128. What is the binary of 128? We need to find out that, though. So we know that the binary of 128 is 1 and 7 zeros, 3 3 7. So the first one is the first number digit is 1 and the others are 0. So here is a we need to answer four questions. So first question is how many subnets? How many subnets? So if we want to find out the answer of these questions, we have a simple formula like 2 to the power x. X is what? X is the number of masked bits. So if we want to write here the masked bit equals to x equals to 1. The bits which are 1, they are called masked bit, and here we have x equals to 1. So if we write now 2 to the power 1 equals to 2, so we will have two subnets. We will have two subnets. Then if we move to the second question, we will need to answer that how many hosts, how many hosts. So if we want to answer these questions, I need to another formula. We need another formula like 2 to the power y minus 2. So what is the value of y? So value of y is the number of zeros here. What are the number of zeros here? This number of zeros are 7. So 7 is equals to y. So here y is equals to 7. So 2 to the power 7 minus 2. So what is the answer of 2 to the power 7? 2 to the power 7 is 128. So 128 minus 2, 126. So why 126 hosts? So because there is two hosts which will give to one network address and one to the broadcast address. Then we have the question number 3. If we want to, we want the block size, b size. So if we want the block size, we need to minus 256 minus the subnet masks. What is the subnet mask? 128. Why 256? Because in this fourth octet the highest value is 256, or the total value is 256. 0 to 255, total is 256. So if we minus subtract 128 from 256, we can get the block size. So here we can see the answer is 128. So the block size will be 0, 128, then 256. It will increase like this: 0, 128. These will be the two subnets. This will be the two subnets we are want to showing. So if we want to format the form the table we want. So first of all, in the table subnets, we have two subnets. One is 0 and the other is 128. Then in the we need to write the broadcast address. What will be the broadcast address? The next subnet before the last one before the next subnet. So 127 is the last one, so 127. And what will be the last one of 128? Then it will be 255. We know that the fourth octet is 0 to 255, so it's 255. So now if we want to organize the table, first host and last host. So what is the first host? First host will be 1 0 0. The first one will be 1 and the last host will be before the 127, it will be 126. And what will be the first host of the second subnet? 129 and 254. So this is the subnetting of class C IP addressing. See you on the next video. And if you have any questions, comment down below.